Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever wondered how some animals can magically regrow their body parts? It's like something straight out of a fantasy book, right? But guess what? It's real and it's absolutely fascinating. Let's dive into the world of regeneration. This is the process where animals replace or restore their lost or damaged tissues and organs. Imagine losing a limb and just growing it back. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Well, for some creatures, this is just a part of their life. First up, meet the axolotls, also known as Mexican walking fish. These little guys can regenerate their limbs, spinal cords, hearts, and even parts of their brains. When they lose a limb, cells at the injury site form a structure called a blastema, which magically transforms into the needed cell types for a new limb. Next, we have the starfish. These sea stars can regrow lost arms, and in some cases, an entire new starfish can sprout from just one arm. They have special cells called coelomocytes that help in this amazing tissue regeneration process. Then there are planarians, tiny flatworms that can regenerate any part of their body. Their secret? A vast number of pluripotent stem cells called neoblasts. These cells can turn into any cell type, rushing to the wound to divide and rebuild whatever was lost. And let's not forget about lizards. Many lizards, like the green anole and the common house gecko, can regrow their tails. When they lose a tail, a blastema forms, and new tissues start to develop, although the new tail is usually simpler than the original. Lastly, did you know male deer regenerate their antlers every year? It's a rapid process involving cell division and differentiation controlled by hormones. Why can these animals regenerate? It's all about a complex mix of genetic, molecular, and cellular mechanisms. They have specialized stem cells, growth factors that signal growth and repair, and genetic pathways that kickstart the regeneration process after injury. Understanding these incredible natural phenomena not only amazes us, but also offers hope. By studying how animals regenerate, scientists are uncovering ways that could one day help us regenerate human tissues and organs. The future of medicine could be inspired by nature's very own magicians. Isn't nature just mind-blowing? Thanks for tuning in, and keep that curiosity alive. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.